Licorice root skincare recipes. Natural glow with NaturaBloom.
Did you know that licorice root isn't just for skin and hair care? Licorice root is one of nature's hidden treasures. Its magic isn't limited to skin and hair. It's also used in teas, desserts, and much more.
Today, we're diving into the magic of licorice root for skincare. It brightens, soothes, and heals naturally.
Let's make 3 simple DIY recipes together.
Brightening face mask. You'll need 1 tablespoon licorice root powder, 1 tablespoon honey, 2 teaspoon rose water. How to use: mix all into a paste. Apply for 15-20 minutes. Rinse. 2. Soothing facial toner. You'll need 1 tablespoon dried licorice root, 1 cup hot water. Optional: 3 drops chamomile oil.
How to use: steep licorice in hot water 10 to 15 minutes. Cool and strain, store in a spray bottle, use after cleansing.
3. Dark spot treatment gel. You'll need 1 teaspoon licorice root extract, 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel. Optional: 1 drop tea tree oil. How to use: mix and apply on dark spots at night.